Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 13th March 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have to follow Srimad and serve the whole world and the elements to make them pure. Show everyone the way to happiness and peace. Question. What is it that you children don't need, since you are making effort to forget even your own bodies? Answer. Pictures. Since you have to forget your image, body, why would you need those pictures? Consider yourselves to be souls and remember the bodiless Father and your sweet home. These pictures are for small children, that is, for new ones. You have to stay in remembrance and inspire others to have remembrance. Carry on with your business and practice staying in remembrance in order to become Satopradhan. Song is I have come, having awakened my fortune. Essence for Dharana. First is, in order to become as praiseworthy as the Father, follow the Father. Second is, this is your last birth. You now have to return home. Therefore, let the drums of happiness beat within you. Settle all the suffering of your karma in happiness with Karma Yoga, that is, with remembrance of the Father. Blessing for today. May you have the awareness of being a master and a child and become filled with all attainments and with a right to all the treasures. Details are: you are the children and the masters of all the Father's treasures, natural yogis and natural self-sovereigns. Become filled with all attainments by having this awareness. Constantly continue to sing the song, I have attained what I wanted to attain. Do not play the game of losing and finding I am attaining are not the words of those who have a right. Those who are the children of the Father who is full, the children of the ocean, should not have to work hard like servants. Slogan is, to gain victory over the suffering of karma with the power of yoga is to make elevated effort. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Make your foundation of faith strong and remain constantly fearless and carefree. First of all, you must have full faith in yourself. Then, you have to be faithful to Bap Dada and the souls of the whole family. When you are faithful and your intellect has faith in everything you do, then, because of being faithful, you will also be successful. By being faithful, every task, every thought and every word will be powerful.